Oh, lights! Camera rolling! Action!
After we convene the court and suspend, we can go back into session to start reading the committees.
I take it that right now the chairman of the Committee on Rules is in an acting capacity.
Yes, Senator Villanueva
And
and,
the membership at this point would only be the ex-officio members.
and the members before the all positions were declared
holdover
vacant.
from the
Holdover,
previous,
yes, in accordance with Section 19.
Will you refresh me with Section 19, Mr. President? Because
Yes. And to be fair,
Because in that
Senator
case-
Pangilinan has the interpretation question. That's why we referred this to the Committee on Rules.
okay.
The chairman and the members of the permanent committee shall commence in the exercise of their duties upon election. They shall cease when their successors shall have been elected or designated. So since we have not yet elected or designated their successors, except for the majority leader, our interpretation that it continues.
Una.